So good evening everyone. Hi Kunal Ambasta, welcome you all to this live stream from ioPUZZLE. ioPUZZLE, the input output puzzle, an online coding initiative to provide education, high quality coding, high quality training to each and everyone. So we are already on our way. So we have Shresht with us and Vaibhav with us. So good evening both of you. Good evening Jesh. Thank you Shresht, I'm fine. How are you? So now we have most of our students on board now. So we are going to start. The session will start in a minute or two. So before we start, there is a request from all of you that you should kindly share the words with your friends and family so that they may know that live streaming is going on where they can learn in the live class. As you have already. Good evening Anant. Thank you for joining. As you have already read the title, today we have a session on Scratch as it's Thursday. So it's a session for Scratch coding today. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we have Python. And on Tuesday and Thursday we have Scratch. On Saturday we have Linux OS, and on Sunday we organize special events, special programs, special sessions you can say, maybe for the revision purpose or maybe for something new. So let me introduce myself. I am Kunal Ambasta, a regular coder, programmer. I work in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning, robotics, and for most of the time I design and I write programs in Python. So I'm using my Python on my desktop. I'm using Python for mobile application development. I'm using Python for AI. I'm using Python for machine learning. I'm using Python for robotics, as well as I'm using Python to program very low-end devices, microcontrollers, low-end SoC, system on chip. So Python can do miracles. But today's session is there on Scratch. In Scratch, you can actually experience the codes in action. We all have heard and we all have seen the working of while loop. We have seen the working of if, else, if, and so on. But if you go to Scratch, you can see it in action, and this is the best part. So while we start, there is a request: kindly share the words with your friends and family. Let them know that we are there and we are conducting a session, so that people may join us. So okay, now let's move forward. And let me share some basic informations with you in chat. So I'm just okay. Please be with us. Okay, now, so you can just share these codes with your friends and family. Hello Shruti, this is the YouTube channel. You can join us for this live class, and you can also join us on our Facebook page. To get the latest updates. So let's get started. First of all, you need to type here Scratch. There may be different ways to launch this app, but you can prefer this, no doubt. You can see it's saying Scratch desktop is loading. Okay, now, so as some of our students have joined this class for the very first time, they might not be well aware with the Scratch. So just let me introduce Scratch to them. Okay, now what you need, you just need to know some basic stuffs about Scratch. Like, first thing, this is where you can see this cat moving. It's called stage. हम इसे stage कहते हैं. We call it stage. Now, the second thing is, this area is known as sprite list. This area is known as sprite list. This area is to select stages where your sprite is going to perform. You have this block palette. This is the block palette. You will find every command here, everything that you need. These are the shortcuts to this block palette. These are called tabs. Here we have 3 tabs. Okay, so I believe I should start magnifier. Let me turn on the magnifier. Okay, now let me zoom in. Okay, so you can see 3 tabs here: code, costumes, and sound. These are called tabs. And this block here, you can see motion, okay, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, and so on, operators and so on, variables. So these are block palettes. Now, this region where you actually write your script is known as script area. What do we call it? We call it script area. Now, okay, now we have you can say full screen mode. You can go here, zoom button, zoom out. For the full screen mode, you can see here, here we have an option. Okay, let me just go to this point. This is full screen mode. This one is the mode that we are using right now, and this one is you can say this. Actually, yeah, a little shorter region. When you go to this point, you will get a big stage. Actually, you don't need this much bigger script area. So this is actually perfect. And if you click here, you will go complete full screen mode. Okay, now, so we have already talked a lot about these things, and now we are going to move on. So last day we had a lot of talks about different features that we can use here with the script. This sprite, you don't need to use this sprite only. You have a collection of sprites. You can use anything you want. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just delete it. And how to do that? So just reach out to that sprite in the sprite list and just click on this delete button. It will be deleted. How can you get new sprite? Just move on. At the bottom you will find an option sprite. Here you can see choose a sprite. So you can search a sprite, you can create a sprite by yourself, surprise, and you can just upload the sprite for general purpose use. I'm going to search it. Okay, actually I'm in the zoomed mode, so I need to move out. Okay, see, you have this many options. You can select anything you want. Once you reach to a sprite, it will start showing you the animation. I believe this bat will serve the purpose. Okay, we are walking, we are okay. I believe this bat will serve the purpose for today. Get the bat here. Okay, now you can make your bat move. You can actually make your bat move. So it's all up to you what you want with the code. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to write a script for it. I want this bat to go to this point, like flying. So go to motion, and then you can say glide. Take this point. Okay, now you need to take an event as I have already discussed. So when the flag is clicked, okay, now put it here. Okay, just zoom it out and see the point in action. This is the flag that we need to click. So I'm going to zoom out, click here, and see the bat is gliding to some random position. Position is not defined actually. It may go anywhere. And the best part is, from this code block you can actually change it. Glide 1 second. No, I want my bat to glide for a longer period of time. Let's say I want my bat to glide for 3 seconds. It will really be a longer time. Okay, now so click on the random position. You can also choose the mouse pointer, where your mouse will be pointed to that point. Your bat, whatever sprite you have taken, will move to that point. I will be happy with the random position. Okay, let me show you mouse pointer once. Okay, now I will click it. See, so instead of using this, because this may create a problem, and here with the mouse pointer I cannot show you this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click this, delete this, and I will take, when the space key is pressed, जब space key को दबाया जाए तो क्या होना चाहिए. Okay, now zoom out. So take this back here. I have kept my pointer here at this point. I'm going to click space. See what's happening. Your bat is actually flying. This is the way how these codes and script work. My dear, there is a request once again. Kindly share the words with your friends and family. because most of us have not joined, most of you have not joined us today. So kindly share the words with your friends and family so that they may come to know that they may join, and we may have a very healthy session today. Okay, now, so this was all about, and I am going to delete it. Oh, sorry. I need to delete the same. Okay, so you can do this. Last day what we were working, we were trying to animate our name. हम अपने नाम को animate कर रहे थे. Animation was there. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this, and I will take a stage. So let's see, this is called backdrops. So choose a backdrop, zoom out. You can choose anything: arctic, bedroom, canyon, or colorful city, castle, कुछ भी, anything you can. Let's say I'll be very happy with this colorful world. So yes, I get this colorful world. Now, how can you create a story? Okay, Vaibhav, I'm going to do that. Okay. Vaibhav is saying something. Uh, so I'm just going to try it out. Okay, so let's get the beer. Okay, now, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on costume. Okay. Okay, now, so these are the different steps of your beer. Okay, so now I'm going to add a next. Just for that, take this one also. Yes, Vaibhav, definitely it will take the default one. Yeah, it's true. Okay, now, please wait. I don't need to just change it, it's perfect. Okay, now, and return back to code. Say look, go to look, because I felt that it's perfect. Yes, I must do one thing here in costume, that I must decrease its size, overall size. Yeah, because our beer is little bit bigger than the city itself. Okay, now go to code and just move to the looks. Okay, let me show you this. Move to the looks, and yeah, switch to next costume. Switch costume to, or okay, just take the next costume. Okay, leave it. We are going to create a beautiful animation here. Next costume. Okay, and I must place this next costume in the forever loop. Okay, let's don't put it in the forever loop. Instead we are going to put it in the repeat loop, and I'm just going to add an event here. Okay, my dear everyone, so please have a look. This is my code that I'm going to use, and it will work now. Let me zoom out. Okay, this is the code. Once I hit this go button, this beer will start moving. See, actually the problem is I have decreased the size of a beer, इसीलिए size का fluctuation आ रहा है, otherwise things are perfect. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to return back to costume, and if I could find a control Z option. Okay, yeah, I got it. Now नेक्स्ट कॉस्ट्यूम के बाद कितना अच्छा होता कि अगर हमारा ये जो बियर ये चलता भी थोड़ा और अच्छा होता. एंड फॉर दैट व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड मोशन हियर. से मूव टू 10 steps. Let's say not just 10 steps but 20 steps. And after that I should stop here. Events, or say control. Okay, control, wait for 1 second. Now click here. See, your beer is moving now. अब देखिए आपका बियर चल रहा है यहां. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, लेट्स टेक दिस बियर बैक. ओके, 1 सेकेंड बहुत बड़ा हो जा रहा है. वन सेकेंड थोड़ा बड़ा हो जा रहा है. आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज दिस वैल्यू ऑफ 1 सेकेंड टू 0.2 seconds. It will be perfect. And see, my dear everyone, please be with us. We are creating an animation here. See, yeah, good. Your beer is moving now. Let's check it out once again. Oh, great. Put your beer here and see, it's moving. This is a way to create animation here. Must let me know in the comment section below that what you are going to build, what you are going to develop, what you are going to make with this beautiful great feature of Scratch. Okay, now so I'm just going to add some more features here. Like let me add one more sprite. This time this one. Okay, I got another beer here. What I need to do, I need to just go to the costume and say flip. Yeah, great. Now I'm going to show you something. Please be with us, it's really very important. What I need to do for this beer, okay, I already have a code. Okay, next costume, move. Okay, just let me just change the control. let me write another code here. Okay, let me delete it first. Let me delete this code because really it's not of my use. Okay, let me create a new block here. So just go out for event, take this event here, control, go to sensing, say repeat, और you can say repeat until, तब तक रिपीट कीजिए जब तक ये घटना ना घटे. अब until क्या है यहाँ? So you are just going to put a condition here, sensing okay, just let me move out. Am I audible now? Hello everyone, am I audible now? If you are having any problem while getting my sound, so you can just let me know. Am I audible properly? Okay. Just let me move out of this. Go to sensing, say okay, I need a okay, just let me take this and put it here. So how I did this, पहले मैं यहां गया, मैंने कहा टचिंग को यहां से पिकअप किया और रिपीट अंटिल पे जैसे आप जाओगे देखो ये कलर यहां पर चेंज होगा, इसका मतलब ये एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है इसको. और मैं कुछ और लाऊंगा तो ये एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा. ये देखो आप देखो एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा है ना, ये इसको एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है. यहां लाओ और यहां रख दो, ये हो गया. आप इसको चेंज कर दो बियर. जब ये दूसरे बियर को मिलेगा है ना, रिपीट अंटिल टचिंग बियर, जब तक ये बियर को ना मिले तो क्या करना है आपको, तो करना ये था कि जो हम कर रहे थे, मोशन मूव 10 स्टेप्स, आफ्टर दैट लुक. तो हमने कहा था कि नेक्स्ट कॉस्ट्यूम, फिर हमने कहा था वेट फॉर अ सेकेंड, एक्चुअली नॉट अ सेकेंड, 0.1 सेकेंड, say 0.2 second, it will be little faster, slower I believe. Okay, now let me test this out. We are going to test this code. Put this code here, this beer, play. See, it stopped. Why? मैंने कहा था कि तब तक चलो जब तक ये बियर आपको जब तक ये बियर सट ना जाए तब तक आपको चलना है. नाउ अब मैं चाहता हूं कि जैसे ये बियर इस पे सटे, ये बियर खड़ा हो जाए. सो व्हाट आई नीड टू डू, आई नीड टू go to this beer and I need to say event when this is clicked. Okay, sorry, actually control wait until कब तक वेट करना है, एक मिनट. गो टू द सेंसिंग, पुट इट हियर, लेट मी जूम इन. या वेट अंटिल वी आर वॉकिंग, जब तक ये बियर आकर के इसको छू ना ले तब तक वेट करना है. और जैसे छुए फिर क्या करना है आपको? What do you want then? You need to change the look. So I'm just going to put a repeat command here. It will look much better. And look, so next costume, and there should be a weight. Let's call it for 0.5 seconds. Okay. Now see, मैं आपको ये कोड समझा दूंगा कि कोड मैंने कैसे लिखा है और क्यों लिखा है, बट फिलहाल हम यहां देखते हैं. Put your beer here. आपने बियर को थोड़ा पीछे कर लो, इस बियर को भी थोड़ा पीछे कर लो क्योंकि स्टेज पे जगह कम है हमारे पास. और यू कैन जस्ट डू वन थिंग, आप इसको फैला लो पूरा एंड क्लिक ऑन फ्लैग. सी क्या होगा, हैव अ लुक. ओ ये तो अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में खड़ा हो गया क्योंकि मैंने इसको सेट नहीं किया था. ओके ओके, सो लेट मी मूव आउट, रिटर्न बैक टू दिस बियर, कॉस्ट्यूम, बियर. इसको आपको थोड़ा फ्लिप करना होगा. या ग्रेट, कोड. नाउ टेक दिस बियर, इसको थोड़ा आप पीछे कर लो. या ग्रेट. नाउ ओके, लीव इट. इसको आप फुल स्क्रीन कर लो एंड see it in action. Wow, great, awesome. और अगर आप चाहते हो कि सिर्फ ये खड़ा हो जाए, ये इस तरह से उछले कूदे नहीं, तो यू कैन डू वन थिंग, जस्ट चेंज द कोड. यहां पर जो मैंने रिपीट लगाया है ना, ये रिपीट हटा देंगे. हटा दिया. ओ तो खाली अकेला बच गया. ओ सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, मैंने कुछ और ही हटा दिया. मुझे पहले इस बियर पे क्लिक करना होगा. इस बियर के प्रोग्राम को चेंज करने के लिए मुझे इस बियर पे क्लिक करना होगा. ओके नाउ, अब यहां पर मुझे मिला, ये रिपीट को मुझे हटाना है सिर्फ. लुक्स जस्ट द नेक्स्ट कॉस्ट्यूम. ग्रेट. गो टू द फुल स्क्रीन मोड. I believe I cannot do it here. पहले मैं इस बियर को पीछे कर लूं थोड़ा. या ग्रेट. नाउ जस्ट प्ले दिस, turn on this green flag. See what will happen. Wow, beer is moving. Wow, ये खड़ा हो गया तुरंत. Isn't it great? This can be used to create your custom animations. आप अपना custom animation यहां बना सकते हो. So I would like to know how you feel. कैसा लगा आपको ये? Just let me know in the comment section below, and must tell me what are you going to make with this beautiful app. Anyone? Okay, just let me, there must be some sound. Thank you Jesh, thank you Vaibhav. Just let me explain the code that I have written. You can just change the code for your sprite. अगर आप we are walking पे आप क्लिक किए हो तो उसका कोड आपको नजर आएगा. अगर आप सिर्फ बियर पे क्लिक कर रहे हो तो सिर्फ उसका कोड नजर आएगा. तो पहले मैं बियर वॉकिंग वाले कोड को आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूं. व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, ये कह रहा है कि व्हेन दिस ग्रीन फ्लैग इज क्लिक्ड, जब ग्रीन फ्लैग क्लिक हो तो क्या करना है, रिपीट अंटिल। इस रिपीट ब्लॉक के अंदर में जो भी कुछ लिखा हुआ है, इस रिपीट ब्लॉक के अंदर में जो भी कुछ लिखा हुआ है वो तब तक काम करेगा, है ना, जब तक ये हो रहा है। जैसे टचिंग, टच कर रहा है, तो रिपीट अंटिल, जब तक ना हो, रिपीट करते रहो अंटिल, जब तक ना हो। ठीक है, आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट ना? रिपीट अंटिल, जब तक ना हो रिपीट करो। क्या रिपीट करना है, क्या ना हो, टचिंग, टच ना हो, किससे, माउस पॉइंटर से, एज से, बियर से, किससे, तो लेट्स से बियर। ठीक है, जब तक बियर से टच ना हो क्या करना है, मूव 10 स्टेप्स, 10 स्टेप्स आगे जाओ, नेक्स्ट कॉस्ट्यूम, कॉस्ट्यूम बदलो, और एंड देन वेट फॉर 0.2 सेकेंड्स एंड देन रिपीट बैक। ठीक है, मैंने इसको क्या किया, यहां पर कनेक्ट कर दिया है ताकि जैसे ही क्लिक हो इसके बाद ये फंक्शन परफॉर्म हो। अब बात आई कॉस्ट्यूम पे, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट कॉस्ट्यूम? सो गो टू द टैब, क्लिक ऑन कॉस्ट्यूम, लेट मी जूम आउट। Here you can see lots of costumes, costume A, costume B, costume C, costume D. So what exactly the costumes are? Let me show you. A, देखो आप उसका पैर कैसे है। B, अब देखो आप उसका पैर कैसे है। C, अब देखो। D, अब देखो आप। E, अब देखो आप। F, G, तो ये एक्चुअली मूवमेंट दिखा रहा है, इट एक्चुअली शोज द मूवमेंट। तो हम इसी को नेक्स्ट कॉस्ट्यूम बोलते हैं। एक के बाद वो दूसरा कॉस्ट्यूम अपने आप ले लेता है इस लिस्ट में से। ओके, कोड, मूव टू द बियर, नेक्स्ट बियर। सो इट हैज ओनली 2 कॉस्ट्यूम्स। फर्स्ट वन इज स्टैंडिंग ऑन 4 feet, सेकेंड वन इज स्टैंडिंग ऑन 2 feet। तो ये नेक्स्ट कॉस्ट्यूम सिर्फ इसी को कर सकता है ये। अब मैंने इसके कोड में क्या लिखा है, मैंने लिखा है यहां व्हेन द फ्लैग इज क्लिक, जब फ्लैग क्लिक हो, वेट अंटिल, तब तक इंतजार करो जब तक जो बियर चल रहा है वो बियर आके आपको सट ना जाए, तब तक आपको चलना है। सॉरी, तब तक आपको वेट करना है, यू नीड टू वेट अंटिल, जब तक ऐसा ना हो तो वेट कीजिए, और जब ये हो जाए तो उसके बाद क्या करना है, मूव टू द नेक्स्ट कॉस्ट्यूम। तो अब देखो आप फिर से इस कोड को, क्योंकि अब आपने इसको समझ लिया अच्छे से, तो एक बार आप कोड को समझो। मैं इस बियर को थोड़ा पीछे कर देता हूं। या zoom now, okay, so I'm just going to click on the flag, see what will happen, see, okay, I need to stop, क्योंकि तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है, इसके पैर ही नहीं नजर आ रहे, ये नीचे कर दिया मैंने ज्यादा ही। क्या फायदा होगा, उसके पैर दिख ही नहीं रहे हैं। ओके नाउ सी, अब आप देखो उसके पैर नजर आ रहे हैं आपको मूव होते हुए, एक्चुअली वो पैर नहीं छो रहे हैं, वो नेक्स्ट कॉस्ट्यूम आ रहा है, जैसे इस पे सटा वो देखिए खड़ा हो गया ये। सो यू कैन क्रिएट कस्टम एनिमेशंस यूजिंग स्क्रैच। तो आप ये छोटे छोटे प्रोग्राम्स के जरिए ऐसा कर सकते हो। अब देखो ये और अच्छा लगता, अब आप कहेंगे कि सर कितना बढ़िया होता सर अगर ये व्हाइट पॉलर बियर होता तो। या डेफिनेटली, बिल्कुल। तो चलो क्यों ना स्टेज भी चेंज कर दिया जाए, ये स्टेज अच्छा नहीं है। लेट मी टेक अ न्यू स्टेज, आर्कटिक। आर्कटिक में ये पोलर बियर बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं सच में, बट वहां के पोलर बियर व्हाइट होते हैं। गो टू कॉस्ट्यूम, कलर, so just select a color, let's say white, okay now I might get some white color, it appears to be a little difficult here. Okay, just Okay, now. Okay. या ये कलर मिल जाएगा हमें. Yeah, it's somewhat white. Let me change the color. It would be great if I get this white color. Okay. Okay. So I'm just getting a help from Garv, and Garv is saying that, sir, decrease the saturation, you will get a white color. Okay, Garv, thank you so much for helping me here. Let me do that. Okay. Okay. Let me try out some. Okay, 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 perfect. Oh no, I need bright, complete full brightness. Okay. ये देखो, अब ये कुछ ऐसा हो गया, ये तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Okay, now, so I'm just going to reverse it. Yeah, it's good. It's good, I think. Okay, now. Okay. लेकिन फिर हमें सारे सारे जितने भी हमारे पास में कॉस्ट्यूम है, सारे कॉस्ट्यूम्स को फिर कलर करना पड़ेगा. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रिवर्स इट बैक. बस यहाँ पर मेरा एक ही मकसद था, वो ये बताना कि हाउ कैन यू फील द कलर हियर. आप यहाँ पर कलर कैसे फील कर सकते हो. यू कैन जस्ट डू इट लाइक दिस. आप ऐसे भी कलर कर सकते हो. ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम नॉट वेरी गुड इन ड्राइंग. सो अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि सर एक बहुत अच्छी ड्राइंग बना के दिखाने वाले हैं, तो यू आर मिस्टेकिंग समवेयर. ओके, देखते हैं कि हाउ डज इट फील इन आर्कटिक रीजन. ओके, जस्ट सेलेक्ट दिस बियर, रिटर्न इट बैक. मैं इसका कलर चेंज कर सकता हूं. ओके, इसको वाइट कर देते हैं. ओ नहीं, ये ठीक है. Okay, now. Yeah, it's good. Oh, great, 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 great. Okay, now, perfect. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go with this scratch. Okay, great. Just okay, full screen. And now click on the flag. See what's happening. Wow, a brown bear is meeting a white bear, somewhat white, not snow white. So it's great. How many of you think that it's really great? कितने लोगों को ये पसंद आया? Just be honest. So everyone, there is a request from all of you. Kindly share the words with your friends and family. Let them know that we are running a free of cost live coding classes where they can learn coding. So it's really great idea to join. So please share the words with your friends and family. Let them know. It will really be great. Anyone? Anything else? If you want to ask anything, just ask. Just drop me a message in the comment section below. I'll be there. Thank you, Jesh. So if you want to ask anything, just please feel free to ask. Great, Garv. Thank you so much. And everyone, please share the words with your friends and family. It's really a great uh, platform. It's a great opportunity to learn. Thank you, Vaibhav. Let me replay the code. मैं इस बियर को वापस पीछे सेट कर लूं एक बार. Okay, now. Okay. And see what happens. यहाँ तो कुछ और हो जाएगा. Oh. Okay now. Okay, how to delete a sprite from code during runtime. Okay, you want to delete a sprite from the code during runtime. Okay, let me see. For that, go to looks. I have to check whether we have this option or not. Yeah, one thing can be done. If we can't actually delete it, then at least we can hide it. We can just hide it, or okay. Let me do this. अब देखते हैं एक बार इस प्रोग्राम को चला के. Oh, sorry. I just deleted it. I'm sorry. Oh God. By mistake I deleted the sprite. Okay, no problem. I will have to retake the sprite. No, it's not there. Okay. Walking bear. मुझे फिर से कमांड लिखना होगा पूरा इसके लिए अब, क्योंकि एक्चुअली मैंने गलती से डिलीट कर दिया उसको. So I will have to rewrite the script once again. So just go and select this walking bear and start writing the code. If you can recall your code. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just say okay, event when the flag is clicked. Okay. Then I had control, wait until. After that I had sensing, so touching mouse pointer, and I changed it to beer. Then I had motion block. Okay, let it be 10 steps. It will be good. Smaller steps. Go to control. Oh no, not control, actually looks, sorry. And say next costume. After that, click on control and wait for a moment here. यहाँ पर आप थोड़ी देर के लिए वेट कर लो. Let's say 0.2. Okay, let's say 0.2. मैं थोड़ा सा इसको जूम कर दूं, आप देख लो एक बार. And after this, what I did, कि जब ये प्रोग्राम खत्म हो जाए और जैसे वहां पहुंच जाए हाइड हो जाइए. अब आप देखो क्या होगा. ये देखो आप, या इट वेंट समवेयर हिडन. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है जैसे कोई भूत था, वो वहां पहुंचा और गायब हो गया. Isn't it great? With animation you can actually do it. Wow, it was wonderful. Hidden. So how many of you liked it? Just let me know in the comment section below. And my dear, please and please don't forget to share the words with your friends and family. It will really help us to take ioPUZZLE to a larger audience. We want that a larger audience should join us at ioPUZZLE. We are working tirelessly day and night on our website. Soon it will be up and ready. Actually, my website is already up. You can visit www.iopuzzle.com, and soon we are going to start number of features on ioPUZZLE. So it will really be great. By the time, if you want to drop me a message, you can. You need to do ioPUZZLE. Oh, sorry. You need to do that admin@iopuzzle.com. This is my email address where you can drop me a message. I will definitely get back to you. Yeah, it looks like that. So yes, Bimo, it's great, really great. So you can actually do a lot of things with this animation. You can actually create an animation here. कल हमने अपने नाम का animation बनाया था. और let me see, I had saved this file. First of all, I need to save this file. So go to the, okay, let me show you this. Go to File, click on Save to your computer. Let's give it a name. It's not a Scratch project. It must be Hiding Beer. Save. I'm going to load my file, old file that I had created yesterday. Yeah, my animated name. Open it. Yeah. See, last day I had created this animation, Kunal. See how this work. Wow. Great. अच्छा लग रहा है ना? We can actually create it. We can create a lot of things with this Scratch. So all I want you to be with me at ioPUZZLE, and we will at ioPUZZLE we will bring lots of learning content every day live to you. Means you can learn right from the comfort of your home. You never need to pay, neither today nor tomorrow. You never need to pay. It's an always free coding class. So there is a request, my dear, please share the words with your family, with your friends, with your colleagues, and it will be great. Thank you, Pratham. Thank you so much. Now if you want to ask me something, you can. Otherwise we are going to sum up for today. If you want me to ask, please ask. Otherwise we are going to wrap up this session today. Anyone? If you want to ask me anything, just ask. Okay. So it was really a great session with all of you. Thank you so much everyone for joining this session. Tomorrow we are having a session on Python, and we have already started writing programs in Python. So I'll be explaining that to you also. So do join me in the Python session tomorrow. And thank you so much everyone for joining this session. Have a great evening. Happy learning.